So, naanami sa Barili. Abang sa for the second time.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true.
Where are we?
Ato ka dito.
So hi guys, nami sa Carcar karon. So try mi sa ilahang lechon. So second time na nako diri nakatilaw sa ilahang amazing nga lechon.
Ako first time.
So this time I'm with Kevin from City Manager na mo. Soon to be. So guys, meet our newly hired driver.
Buwa. Uy, dili ko ka ba sa music ikay ka nang kuan.
So, naanami sa Barili. Abang sa for the second time.
This is my first time here.
First time picture sa vlog. May lang fresh milk nila. Sa ako'y try.
I-reply na ang admin.
Kung lami, ibag yun. Pulo kong ice cream.
Sa pag-projects.
Body ng fresh milk. Farm.
I mean, ano? Hindi na siya.
Muy tag...
A moment like this, some people wait.
Muy tag facilitated sa farm.
Basta ganda.
Asa to, ex-man na li.
Ito, pampi guys.
Kuan sa gamay.
Nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows. But through this unstoppable storm of love remains, it drives me insane. I feel we got so far in the game. Now everything's on fire. How to make it come again? We're crashing like a plane, and they say no rainbow if no rain. No rainbow if no rain. No rainbow if no rain.
Nireklamo ko.
Wala gigas na.
Makabubuan na yun ko.
Makamupuna din daw siya guys. Sa ibayaan.
So this is Capilla Santa Ana Museum. This is private chapel. So since private, we don't have the regular mass here. It's only upon request na. So our patron saint here is Saint Anne, the Mother of Mary. Yan ay nasa upper left. And then Jesus Christ on the cross is estimated to 400 to 600 years old. So anyway, I forgot the end. Kini nga chapel, gibuild ni siya 2011. Nag-bless siya ni Monsignor Dakay 2012. And then most of the collection here are 90% that came from Europe. And then the 10% are from India, Canada, Egypt, and then Philippines. So these are 17th to 19th century, somewhere in Europe because they bought it through auction man. Okay? But the only local nga makita lang natin is we have the 3 Santo Niños from Cebu. And duha ka Santo Niño na siya sa may office dapit. Those are 82 years old and the other one is more than 100 years old, which is na siya sulod sa museum. But then, dili lang diya punta pwede nga makatake of pictures sa sulod. Okay? So even the kneeler, that one, the kanilang masahanan, the altar table, the chair, and also the candle holder, these are also in 18th century, came from Europe. And they have also the pulpit, kanina sa tulid. Muna siya gamiton sa pag-ubili sa priest. That is came from Brittany, England. Muna siya gamiton during the mass good. Okay? And then, dati nga door, kabati mo door nga Aloguinsan.
Mga siya Vikings.
Gitawag na siya og studs. Because according to the history in India, gimeasure Manila dito ilahang wealth through the number ng mga studs. Kaya ang studs mo good, nag-symbolize siya sa wealth. So the more studs, the more sa kadat ang tagis sa kanya. Okay? So, arito sa
My God, studs. Okay. So this is the piano. This is how many years already Kevin? 17th century.
From New York.
From New York.
18...
That's from New York.
1850 something.
No, it's 1859.
See? I have a sharp memory.
Congrats to us.